think it's really good for us to try and encourage nature. Again, in urban environments, I think where sometimes it's hard for nature to thrive, so if we can do anything that encourages any kind of nature and habitats, I think is a good thing. You know, we're here at a school which is a real community hub. Young people, old people, anything we can do in an environment like this, I think has an uplifting effect for all the people around it and the community that this school serves. And the more we can do around that, around the country and around the region, that's good for everybody.
Rewilding projects like this one are really important as a mum, because I think it's really important to be trying to leave the world a better place for future generations, and particularly the one today, doing it at a local school, I think is really valuable.
I think it's good to try and build in the biodiversity into inner cities, particularly the schools. The children can enjoy it. It's much better for the environment for it to be biodiverse. You get some of the creatures, local wildlife back. The local trees can thrive for years to come, and the kids can enjoy watching them grow.
ENGIE's involvement is really important because as we are moving towards renewable energy, I think it is crucial that as employees we are contributing any way we can to that environment and restoring ecosystems after, having used fossil fuels. So yeah, we need to make sure that in every aspect we are fulfilling that sustainability.
CSR days are really important at ENGIE because we're trying to build a better world through green energy, but you can't just focus on green energy. In order for the world to be better, to meet your sustainability goals, you have to build up biodiversity, look after nature. It's not all about net zero, it's about the whole package of sustainability.
What I love about working at ENGIE Supply UK is we get 2 CSR days a year, which allows us to go out to work on projects such as this, and this is fabulous. Working with rewilding to plant trees at a school just seems like the perfect combination. School's all about growing and learning, and the trees will grow and learn with the pupils here.